So I put up this privacy fence a few weeks ago, and I've been waiting to let it kind of settle in a little bit and shrink up and whatever it was going to do. Couldn't decide what color I was going to stain it. Decided to go with something bold like a black. I'll eventually retar that driveway, and I decided to go with this BEHR stain here. $169 for a 5-gallon bucket. They'll tint it for you, have them tint it dark black or charcoal gray. I had about 120 linear feet to do. I grabbed this sprayer. Don't brush it on. It'll take you forever. You have to get on all the nooks and crannies. Get this sprayer. There's plenty of tutorials online. You can watch those. Very, very easy to use. Took me about 2 hours total to do this whole thing, so I highly recommend it. It's a great go. Then I wanted to top it off with maybe some little solar lights. These were $3 for a pack of 4. I got them at Lowe's, I believe, or maybe Home Depot. Not for sure if they're bright enough yet or not, but I thought it'd be worth a shot. So let's get into some painting. I'll show you how I install those lights at the end. So in order to do these lights, you got to create a little template. So what I did is I lined it up left and right, or I lined it up in the center of those two holes. Make sure you put your arrow up. And then this way, whenever I put it up on the fence, I would just drill on each side of those. I had marks on there, but I'd already drilled a couple of them in. But you put it up there on top of the fence like that, and you see where those to the right and left where the little indentions are is where I drill my holes. That saved me a boatload of time just to create a little template. So went back over just to check it again, make sure I'm doing everything right. Just make sure it's in the middle way, however you want to do it, but create yourself a template. It'll make it a lot easier on you. And that way you'll make sure that when you mount them, they'll be exactly where you want them. The other thing I did is underneath the fence there, I got some landscaping fabric and dug out the bottom there, and then I put the landscaping paper fabric stuff down, and then I went and got a load of rocks. The rock cost me $50 for a F-150 truckload of them, and then I just put them in there so it'd tighten it up and make a nice little defined line and decoration. And here it is. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, come back and see us sometime. See you later.